It's Hopies. I'm gonna make a makeup tutorial with my makeup kit. There's real makeup in here, so if you want to watch this, usually I would copy it because I'm not usually a YouTube like singing. I don't know what to say, but at least I can do it. Okay. Step 1. Put on lipstick. Oh gosh. I'm getting really love with lipstick all the time. Make sure you don't splot it on here. Go away, it's only for girls, Owen. My baby brother's crazy. He's just 1 year old. Ow.
Mama.
If you got cracks in your lip, make sure you don't press really hard on it.
Get out.
It's best to use a mirror, but I'm using my video. Woohoo! Woohoo! I don't see it any. Okay. Make sure you do this. There we go. Oh gosh, it's gonna get stuck. Okay, now we're moving on to the next part. We're gonna be using this stuff, and then we're gonna put something on my eyes. Like, you can pick whatever color you want to pick. Don't pick the same color though. Just for people. Okay, that's it. But if you want to watch some more, you can. So we got some little bit of nail polish here, for the let's just beat let's just beat this up. So it can open better. There we go. This is what the nail polish. Oh gosh, this is what the nail polish looks like. So awesome. Now be careful. Oh my goodness, this is hard doing it when you have the camera on. Crazy.
Where should I put this? Dada.
Right there. Wherever it is.
Clean up.
There's nothing there to clean. What are you going to clean?
There. We gotta put it away. So. I should have known our love was older than our past. Throwing my life away and going somewhere.
Tara, keep lollipop one. See how beautiful. It would be hard for me to paint my nails, so I'm not gonna paint my under and nail. It's so hard for me. So that's it. Peace out, you YouTubers. Bye.